the hostess with the mostest this coming holiday season. Today, I will share with you 7 practical tips on how to be the best host ever. So let's get ready to take some notes and get your hosting on. Step number 1, be prepared. Get ahead of the game by being prepared. Have a plan of attack. Write everything down that you wish to accomplish in your New Year's party or any other event you may be having, and be intentional. Once you have this plan set up, you'll be able to get prepared early and get everything that you need to get ready together to be your best host ever. As you wrote everything down, you won't be forgetting anything. This will leave you to be your best host ever because you don't have to worry about the small detail, since you know everything is covered. Now that you have a plan, you're going to want to set the scene. Create a festive ambiance by gathering your vision and putting it to life. You know exactly what vibe you're going for, so let's make it happen, Captain, or should I say hostess. So now that you have your vision, you're going to want to set a festive atmosphere where people can have fun and be themselves and have a wonderful party. Within your budget, please. Pro tip, make sure you set a budget so that way you're not going into the new year worrying about debt. Let's not go into debt for this or anything. There are absolutely a lot of budget-friendly ways that you can do anything. So stick to the budget and let's set a fun and festive scene. Think of what kind of decors you want to have, what kind of music, what kind of food, everything within the budget. There are ways to make things affordable. For example, if you need food but you don't want to break the bank, have everyone bring a dish. Make it a potluck. It'll be so much fun. Everyone gets together and shares their favorite dish. What better way to bond than that? You can make it even extra fun by having it a secret potluck and have everyone guessing who brought what. That will give you another added activity to do in your wonderful hosting experience. If you enjoyed the video so far, I invite you to give it a big thumbs up and also share this video so that this small channel can grow and everyone can have these fun and wonderful hosting tips. Next, prepare your food and drink. Prep this ahead of time so there's no stressing out. Whatever you can make ahead, make it ahead. And whatever you cannot make ahead, make it the morning of. Delegate tasks if you are able to lighten up your load. Hosting is already a huge duty. Everyone will be so happy to support you. So just ask for help if you need it. Otherwise, create a game plan. When will you make what? Whatever you can make ahead, please make it ahead. It will free up so much of your time and will cause you to be less stressed when the time for hosting comes. You're going to want to set a fun atmosphere. Don't have everything be all stuffy. Be sure to break out board games and make everyone feel comfortable. Have some music, have some suggestions, any kind of games, icebreakers. You may have loved ones that don't know each other, and now is the perfect time to introduce them. Have some wonderful ice-breaking games. This way you can get a fun ambiance going and everyone can relax and ease into your fun and wonderful events. And speaking of fun, if you like fun, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bells on because this channel has loads of tips on how to make everything fun, from homemaking to productivity. So be sure that you click that subscribe button. It's absolutely for free, and turn on those bells so you don't miss a single video. Next, after your event, you're going to want to clean up. Don't leave it for another day. When you clean up your home, it will be a fresh start in the next day for any other event that may be happening or just so you can feel comfortable. When we leave things about, they tend to collect clutter and even multiply. So be sure to clean up the very same day. Do not go to bed like that. Clean everything up, put on some fun music, and keep the party going. We're going to make this fun. I have a ton of videos on how to make homemaking fun, so if you need the motivation, check those out. But please do not go to bed without cleaning up first. Otherwise, you will be met with that mess in the morning and it'll be so discouraging. It feels so good to wake up fresh to a clean slate. You don't want yesterday's mess to follow you until the next day. So please keep the music going and clean up. You got this. Okay, so next we're going to want to show appreciation to your guests. Show your guests that you cared, that they came, and that you had a blast. A way to do this in a budget and affordable way is have some photos of them from the event and send it over to them with a handwritten note. This will show them that you appreciated them so much without having to spend any money. But if you do have a little bit of room in the budget, you might want to gift them a little bit of a souvenir, whether it be a notebook or a keychain, anything affordable like that. Just show them that you appreciate them any way that you can. But please do not break the bank. There is nothing more special than a handwritten note and a wonderful photo of your loved one at the event. So whatever you can do it to show the appreciation. Okay, so now that you know how to host like a pro, you might want to check out how to get your home ready for the new year. Check out this video here where I talk all about it, and I'll see you there in a bit. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.